Did you know that plastic litter on beaches has increased 140% since 1994? That is an insane amount of pollution on our beaches. For my project, I decided to look into non-point source pollution on public beaches, how it affects marine life, and methods to reduce it. In order to collect data, me and my friend went to Sunny Lake Park to collect litter from the ground. I expected the park to be very polluted, and everywhere we walked, there would be trash. However, there was barely any litter to collect. As we walked the trails, we collected the trash that we saw. My original plan was to go to Lake Erie, but my parents did not want me to drive that far. So I thought of a local place, which was Sunny Lake Park. It was very easy collecting trash there because there wasn't that much to collect. And we also faced challenges with the weather because it was very rainy, which caused a lot of mud. So whenever we would go off trails to pick up the litter, our shoes would sink into the ground. Since there was barely any trash, I needed reliable data for my paper. I looked into how much plastic in our oceans has increased since 1950 to 2015. The data is growing exponentially. As our population is increasing, the demand for plastic is increasing as well. That means more waste is given off. More and more species are almost extinct from this problem. This includes sea turtles, seals, sea lions, seabirds, whales, dolphins, and fish. Sea turtles confuse plastic with their main food source, jellyfish. Seals and sea lions get tangled up in plastic bags and plastic packaging. As for seabirds, they dive into the ocean to catch foods, and they end up grabbing more than just fish. Fish are harmed by plastic as well. Microscopic pieces of plastic flow through fish's gills. Like sea turtles, whales, and dolphins mistake plastic for food. Whales have large mouths and take in large amounts of food, which means they can also mistake large amounts of plastics when they are feeding. I emailed the director and he said that Sunny Lake Park has a cleanup crew that cleans the park twice a week. So if a park does not get cleaned regularly, more pollution would be present. I think beach cleanups are a great way to reduce the amount of pollution that enters our oceans. Hosting at least once a month can reduce this problem.